The family's been growing apples here for about 150 years. We've delivered apples on this beautiful Highway 128 by horse and wagon generations ago. And I've married into this 5th generation, now 6th generation family farm over 30 years ago. The family's been making cider here for generations, of course. And now we get to make hard cider that looks like this. And it's all made from our estate-grown organic heirloom orchards. So everything is done on site here.
We do everything from blossom to bottle here on the farm. So we have the ability to pick them when we want. The sugar, we have control over the whole process, which gives us a unique ability to get a really unique product.
All of our apple trees are heirloom apples. So these were apples that were popular 100 years ago, 200 years ago, even longer than that. And the family's been collecting and sort of curating this very special collection of heirloom apple trees that love growing here in Philo. And so we get some fantastic flavor because of the terroir, because of the climate. And some years ago, the family was wondering, well, maybe we don't want to continue carrying or growing this Sierra Beauty or Golden Delicious. But we kind of had hoped that people might enjoy these gorgeous heirloom apples in cider. And that's, I think, what makes our cider so distinctive, is because you get these old-fashioned, ripe flavors that really make all the difference. I can't tell you the number of times people have said, I feel like I'm actually biting into an apple when I drink the cider, and that's precisely what we want. A lot of people don't know that apple trees are roses. They're part of the rose family. So they flower in the spring. These are the rose hips. And so those floral characteristics are just what we get to protect and kind of bring forward in the cider.